Meet Sandy. Sandy's a stay-at-home mommy of 3 and loves her kids with all her heart, but doesn't really like the way that her stomach looks after giving birth to 3 little monsters. On top of that, Sandy's spent so many nights staying up to care for her little ones, that she's developed a minor case of insomnia. So, in an effort to find something that took care of both her weight issue, and the case of insomnia that she was dealing with, Sandy came across the awesomeness of Forskolin. 100% pure Forskolin is a dynamically powerful weight loss supplement that is changing the lives of people just like Sandy, in more ways than one. This is one of the hottest fat loss supplements and metabolism boosters that thousands have turned to in order to lose belly fat. Hey, it even helps reduce high blood pressure, and blood clots, and give aid to insomnia sufferers too, all with a money-back guarantee. Click on the link below this video now, and join Sandy, and the countless other people just like you that are getting help losing weight with 100% pure Forskolin.